Let me show you how to share songs from Deezer to members inside of Deezer or outside of Deezer. You can either do both of them. So in order to share songs, what you need to do is open up any song that you're trying to share, tap on the three dotted line on the top and tap on the share button. This way you're going to get few options. Either you can copy this particular link and then paste it in any platform so that this song is shared. Also, what you can do is tap on send to a Deezer user so that you can pick from your following list. Only if you have a following list or are a follower inside of Deezer's, you'll be able to see all of those people right here and tap on that particular profile so that the song is immediately shared. Similarly, you can also share it to various social media platforms. If you tap on see more options, it's going to show you different platforms that you can share this particular song to. So that's the way that you share songs from Deezer. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.